living your best life? I know, the saying evokes memes of cocktail sipping vacationers in some far off destination without a care in the world. Okay, I get it. It's not bad. But is that truly your best life? Well, it might be in that moment, and we can all use a little time away from the grind, but research has shown that it takes more than a Mai Tai and a hammock to possess immense, indelible joy. In fact, a study from Frontiers in Psychology found that lasting happiness, often referred to as life satisfaction or subjective well-being, if you want to get fancy, is influenced by one's own mental training and personal mastery. Personal mastery is about continuously improving one's skills, capabilities, and understanding of the world. It is the discipline of striving for excellence in one's chosen field while remaining open to new ideas and perspective. Peter Sang, the author of The Fifth Discipline, considers personal mastery the most elusive discipline because it mainly has to do with self-awareness and inner work. In his book, Sang provides some guidance on how to develop personal mastery, such as clarifying one's vision, focusing on your strengths, seeking feedback, and practicing reflection. The credible thing is that this personal quest not only creates happiness for individuals, but also affects the success of organizations. A shared vision that drives personal mastery of each individual is essential in any high-performing organization. Think of the paradigm-shifting groups like John Ives with his Apple design team, the 1980 U.S. hockey team under Herb Brooks, or an orchestra under Carlos Kleiber. These were groups of individuals who were inspired to master the unique strengths. And Ives, Brooks, Kleiber cast a vision that was bigger than the moment and the individuals, which influenced each person's desire to reflect, to push, to change independently, and consequently created a collective success that we all still remember today. I'm sure on the eve of the iPhone release, the Boston Symphony performance, or after defeating the Soviets, each of those team members were indeed living their best lives. As a leader, are you effectively casting a compelling vision, aligning individual strengths, fostering opportunities for personal reflection to inspire and empower your team to live their fullest and most fulfilled lives? As an individual, what is your ultimate vision? Enjoy your journey of mastery. And hey, the Mai Tai, it'll taste even better.